Zero to Hero Power Workshop 2.0 Module 3 Protecting a Hybrid Workforce. Alright, so this is an optional advanced lab. We're going to use cloud delivered firewall. Let's get started. Alright, so Zero Trusty Widgets is embracing direct internet access instead of backhauling traffic to the data center. Umbrella's cloud delivered firewall is a cloud native security service as a simple to manage and scalable alternative to costly refresh cycles and maintenance headaches. Firewall in the cloud is now an essential element of a cloud delivered security service. It helps you improve security efficacy and ensure consistent enforcement anywhere. Umbrella, let's go ahead and move to policies, firewall policies. This is going to be a quick and easy example. Go ahead and add a firewall rule. We're going to block ICMP traffic to Google. You can set the priority order here. We have a rule action of allow or block. We're going to select block. Protocol ICMP and applications we're not touching. Source tunnels we're not touching. Destination address, let's go ahead and put in 8.8.8.8 as the example. Go ahead and hit add. And here you can see we can even put in a certain time frame that this is applicable. We have our hit counters. We're going to enable logging and go ahead and hit save. All right, there's our rule. Looks good. Let's give it a test. All right, so we're on Karen's machine. We're in the branch office. Let's go ahead and ping 4.2.2.1 so we can see we've got outbound connectivity to the internet. 8.8.8, bam, it's blocked. So nice, easy, clean way to move that control to the cloud and apply it to multiple different devices throughout your entire organization. Pretty easy. All right, so that worked. Let's go ahead and jump back into Umbrella. Let's go to Activity Search, and we can see at the very top here a block action. It shows us the identity of the location of the attempted connection outbound. We see the internal IP address as well. And you can see source IP, destination IP, ICMP, and it's blocked.